Day 3. Quick and easy recipes. Welcome to Day 3 of our How to Vegan in 5 Days series. We're so glad you're here. If you haven't already watched the videos for Days 1 and 2, we recommend pausing now and checking those out first. They're packed with great tips to build on. That said, this video also stands alone, so feel free to dive in and get started. Let's make something delicious. Today is all about making plant-based eating approachable with quick and easy meals perfect for busy days. With the swaps we discussed on Day 1, making any meal vegan is relatively easy these days. There's a plant-based alternative for almost everything. Combine that knowledge with time-saving strategies, and you've got flavorful, nourishing meals without spending hours in the kitchen. We begin with breakfast. Start your day with an energizing meal that's simple and satisfying. Avocado toast is a great go-to, and you can switch it up with toppings like cherry tomatoes, hemp seeds, or even a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Pair it with your favorite morning beverage for a balanced start. Then we move on to lunch. Buddha bowls are a versatile option that you can customize with whatever you have on hand. Use leftover grains or roast extra veggies earlier in the week for quick assembly. Add a creamy tahini or peanut dressing for a touch of indulgence while keeping things healthy. And now, dinner. Tacos are a crowd pleaser and easy to throw together. Black beans are a great base, but feel free to mix in other quick cooking proteins like tempeh or lentils. Add pre-shredded lettuce and jarred salsa to cut down on prep time. Serve with a side of tortilla chips or a fresh salad if desired. Now, for some pro tips. Batch cooking. Prepare a large pot of grains, like quinoa or brown rice, and a couple of proteins, like black beans or chickpeas, at the beginning of the week. Store them in the fridge to use in meals throughout the week. Prep your veggies. Wash and chop fresh vegetables in advance to make them easy to grab and use in recipes. Use frozen ingredients. Stock up on frozen vegetables and fruits. They're just as nutritious as fresh and save you prep time. Mindset tip. Remind yourself that every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and enjoy the creativity of plant-based cooking. If you're feeling overwhelmed, keep it simple. There's no need to overcomplicate things. Remember, those swaps from Day 1 make it easier than ever to enjoy your favorite meals in a vegan version. Day 3 is about building confidence in the kitchen with quick, wholesome meals that fit your lifestyle. Practice these easy recipes, and soon you'll have a rotation of go-to favorites to keep you satisfied and on track. You're making incredible progress. Discover an ever-growing interactive library of delicious vegan dishes in my recipe archives, where you'll find a variety of recipes to suit every taste and occasion. New recipes are added regularly, so be sure to check back often for fresh inspiration. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things plant-based. You can also connect with us on Facebook. Find the link in the description below, along with other fun and free resources. Don't miss out. Now, stay tuned for Day 4, navigating eating out and social situations to learn how to confidently embrace veganism in any setting.